We have 2 2/5 plus 3/5. So let's start by adding the fractions together. Remember, we keep the denominator the same in our answer, and 2 plus 3 is 5. But whenever you see a fraction that has the same numerator and denominator, you know that that fraction is always equal to 1. And that's because a fraction is really a division, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we got 1 whole from adding our fractions, and we can add that to the 2 wholes that we have in the question to give us 3 wholes altogether, so our answer is just 3. Now 2 3/4 plus 2/4. So let's add the fractions together. We have a common denominator, so the denominator stays the same in our answer, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have 5/4. But we can't write 2 5/4 as our answer because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So we need to turn 5/4 back into a mixed number. That's 1 1/4 because 5 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 1, or because 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So from adding our fractions, we've got 1 1/4. If we add that to the whole number that we started with in our question, that gives us 3 1/4 as our answer. Now 1 3/6 plus 5/6. So again, let's start by adding the fractions together. We have a common denominator, so the denominator always stays the same in the answer, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So we have 8/6. But that's an improper fraction, so we can't write 1 8/6 as our answer. Instead, we need to convert the improper fraction back into a mixed number. That's 1 2/6 as a mixed number, because 8 divided by 6 is 1 remainder 2, or because 1 times 6 is 6, but then we need 2 more to get to 8. So we can take the 1 2/6 that we have from adding our fractions and add that to the 1 whole that we had in the question. 1 plus 1 2/6 is 2 2/6, so that's our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.